Hey everyone, it has been a little while. I've been a bit busy lately, but I will do my best to post more videos in this channel, I promised. Today, let's check out how nano bananas of Gemini that can make mockup process way easier for designers. I'm no designers, but when I hire someone to create a logo for my company, I notice how they always present their work with impressive professional mockups that make the logo really stand out. When I discovered the Nano Banana, I wonder, could these cool AI tools make the mockup process much easier and streamline the entire workflow? You have probably seen tons of videos showing off how cool this AI is, but most of them show off the cool tech without actually solving real problems. In this video, I want to inspire you to focus more on solving real problems rather than just showcasing the technology. We are going to build AI agent called Mockup Master Agent in n8n using the Nano Banana, Gemini, and Telegram as the interface. Whether you are AI agents selling AI solutions or you are job hunting for a technical position, this is for you and you should know about it. So make sure you stick around till the end. Let's jump right in to see the mockup agent in action. You have probably heard about the Nano Banana, but if not, Nano Banana is part of the Gemini's 2.5 Flash model from Google that allows it to generate and edit images with precise prompts. Think of it like a Photoshop with AI superpower that does the image editing work for you. Compared to the ChatGPT's image model that was released months ago, Nano Banana offers several key advantages. First, it's way better at editing specific parts of the image without messing up everything else. Plus, it's way better at keeping things consistent between the original and the edited images, which is really matter when you want to create multiple images with the same people or characters. Or in our case, you want to showcase your print or logo in different mockups. You can see this is the main workflow and we have two sub-workflows too. This workflow is integrated with Telegram as our user interface. So let's see how this works. When I click the start, this bot in Telegram actually connects to my n8n workflow. For the first message, it will describe itself. What is the purpose of this agent? It said it is a print mockup specialist. I can help you to transform your drawing into a professional print-ready drawing and visualize them in a various products. It means mockup. So it gives you a brief of the process will be. Like the first one is upload your image. The second one is polish your image if needed. You can further edit them. And the number 4 is you can create mockup with the 4 preset mockup templates. It will guide you step by step. Like the first step is to begin with uploading an image. I will do this right now in live. So I have a drawing here. Sorry for my terrible drawing. I take this rapid sketch, I upload it. I have to wait a bit. Let's go to the execution and see what it is working. You can see it already replied to me. You can see for the first step, it's just go through the upload process. The message says, thank you for uploading a simple rapid drawing. You can see it can interpret what my drawing are because of this image analysis note. And at the same time, my image is uploaded in my Google Drive. Now, obviously, I need to polish my image. So let me do it. Please polish my image. And you can see for my prompt, I don't need to specify which image I'm referring to because for our design, we have a memory. So it will try to find the image that makes sense. Now you can see I have an image, pink in color. It says, I have polished your image. The new image name is Polished Simple Rapid Drawing. I have a new file here. The file name is important. If you need to revert back to the image, you have to give it the precise file name. You can see we have a tools here, help the agent to find the image. Now you can see that there are two possible ways for our next step to further edit this image, or if it is good enough, we can create a mockups now. So what I'm going to do, I try to edit this again. Please further this polished image and make the rabbit in gray. Let me try to change the color of the rabbit. See, a new task is in process. Now we have a great rabbit. So I'm fine with it. Now what I'm going to do is please create all of the mockups. I request the agent to create all the mockups, meaning that we have a tools to create a mockup, but the AI agent is clever enough to call the agent multiple times if it is requested by the user. So now, whoa, see, I have all the mockup right now. Okay, like like this one. They changed the color. Basically, they didn't use the last image actually. Maybe I should try. This could be one of the problem of the agent is they create some uncertainty. If you further tune the prompt, the system prompts, you get better results. But this could happen. Like I can try that again, saying, okay, so I'm trying to say, please. Oh, by the way, I might use this image because it looks better on the accessories. Please use the image and I specify the name polished simple rabbit drawing to create all the mockups. Let me try that again. Now it is running. And here we go. You can see we have number of mockup images like the notebooks. It's pretty nice. See? And we have the head. Like you can even see the texture of the print on the head, right? On the cap, okay? This is a cap anyway. And on the phone case, and also on a map. Pretty nice, huh? Isn't it amazing? In the technology part, I just used 4 Gemini's 2.5 nodes as a brain of the AI for image analysis and image editing. As I've mentioned earlier, I'm more interested in showing you how to use the cool technology to fix real-world problems first. Don't worry, I will also walk you through the setup of this workflow and provide clear explanation so that you can build it in your own environment. I'm a big fan of tech and I love Nano Banana. I saw tons of cool stuff this Nano Banana can do, both from my own testing and from the YouTube content. And trust me, we just scratched the surface of what this little guy can do in our use case. Within the official Gemini's chat interface, you have a complete freedom to prompt the AI model to perform any task. It's super flexible. But that makes it a little tricky for beginners or average persons to know where to start. The Mockup Master Agent, on the other hand, provide a step-by-step guide and suggest user how to go through the mockup process, from uploading your sketches to get those slick professional mockups. Honestly, you definitely can do the same job in the official Gemini chat interface, but average users will find this difficult and time-consuming. Plus, they might not even know this cool case exists. So this is where we as a solution builder come in, closing the gap by designing an AI agent specific for this. This AI agent is greatly simplify the complexity for user, and this is a real value. So what value do it actually bring? Save you 5 hours a week and eliminating tedious mockup creation for each project. Enables you to quickly showcase mockup to your clients on the go through your mobile, which significantly improves the client satisfaction. Of course, this is up to you to determine the exact how much time saving and values that bring to your specific clients or team, as every business has unique workflow, priorities, and challenges. But you should emphasize these benefits and values rather than how long you have spent and how many nodes you have used in n8n to build this workflow. People care only the values you can bring to them. Company only pay for what value you can bring to them. Well, I'm not saying this Mockup Master Agent is super handy. Okay, it's kind of handy, okay? I'm just here to inspire you to build your own solution. Now it's time to work together how to bring these workflows into your own n8n environment. And I'll explain how they work. You can get this n8n template for free by joining our community. We regularly share the latest AI and IT news to help you stay current in this field. Each month, our community features a specific theme that becomes our central focus for discussion. Nano Banana is our theme for the month, and more. We are holding a challenge in this topic. This challenge invites you to brainstorm innovative ways to use Nano Banana to build practical n8n solutions that address specific problems you identified. You can then showcase in the community. Don't miss this good chance for you to practice your skills, get valuable feedback, and connect to other professionals who share the same interests as you. This is a great way to learn. Plus, selected entities will be featured in our community showcase. Start brainstorming your own use case. Look forward to see you in the community challenge. Okay, let's see how to import these workflows into your n8n environment. First of all, you can head to our community. You can go to the YouTube resources and look for today's Mockup Master Agent. If you don't see it, you can try to search it. You scroll down all the ways, and this is the resources file we need. Click on it and download. Now, when you receive the file, here is a zip file. You need to unzip it. And within this zip file, there are two folders. One is n8n workflows for the mockup. The other is the Google Drive materials that you need to set up in your own Google Drive. So the first step here is to have a new workflow in your n8n platform. Now you can click on the three dots, import the file, and go to this n8n workflow. And then you will see three workflow here. We are going to import the main workflow first, the Mockup Master Agent. And here we go. This is the one. Don't forget to click the Save button. The first thing we are going to do is to import the other sub-workflow. Then we will need to prepare our Google Drive, the Gemini connections. And then finally, we are going to prepare for the connection between Telegram and this workflow. So for the first step, let's go to the sub-workflow for the edit image. We don't have this yet, so you can click on this workflow and create a new sub-workflow. The first things we need to do is to remove them all because we don't need them. And then we click on the three dots, import the file. Choose the second one, the edit image. And here we go. We have the workflow now. Hit the save button. Go back to our main workflow. Let's go to the other sub workflow, create mockup. And again, we choose to create a new sub workflow. Same as before, we just need to remove them and import by clicking the three dots and choose the file. This is our third sub workflow. Okay, and then we save it. Now, let me just position it so that we have 1, 2, and 3. Now, for the next step, we are going to prepare for the Google Drive. Let's click on this Google Drive. If you haven't connected to your Google Drive yet, you can follow the above videos, and then you will have your own credential here. You choose your credentials, and then we need to go to your Google Drive and prepare something. Okay, find a place in your Google Drive to place your folder that the n8n will work on it. Now you can go back to your package, and under the Google Drive material, we have a folder structure here. You can see the Mockup Master Agent. You simply just copy it to Google Drive. And here we go. So inside, you can see we have a template image folder. Under the folder, we have 4 template images that will be used in the agent. And for this DS store, you can simply remove it. This is just some residues file from the Mac OS. Here we go. We are ready to go forward. Get back to our main workflow and go to the parents folder. Here is our working folder. Don't trust this name because this is from the template. You have to open this and you have to type the mockup and search for your actual folders in your Google Drive. And here we go. You have to click this. And then we've configured the next one, the file naming. Again, choose the credential, nothing here. And then these two, the first one is to rename, choose your credential, and that's it. And then find image, sorry, choose the credential. And for this one, we again need to set the folder. Click on the folder and don't trust the default, just search for your actual folders. Again, call the Mockup Master Agent. And here we go, save it. For the same things, we have to set it on the subfolder. We have to set it on the subfolders. Go to download and choose the credential. The reasons why we don't need to set up the folder for download, because we are downloading by the ID, so we do not need to know the parents folder. And then for this upload as well, choose the folder. And upload, we have to have the parents folder. Click on it. Again, type and search and choose the one in your Google Drive. Save it. Done. Last subworkflow. Go to the file and select the credential. We need to point to the folder. For this time, it's different. We are pointing to template image. Template image folder, because we are searching for template. Okay. And then the next one, download template, select the credential, download image, select the credential again, without needing to specify the folder. Finally, this one, upload folder, choose the credential and choose your parents folder. Here we go, and that's it. We can save it now. Now head back to our main workflow. The next step that we are going to do is to configure this Gemini. We also have the Gemini's note as our brain for our AI agent. Okay. what we are needing to do is to connect to our Google account, Google Cloud platform. If you haven't done so, please follow these videos above, create your account and do the connections. So we have to select the credential. Once it is working, you can choose the model. And the Gemini 2.5 Flash is the one we are using now. Same for this Gemini's notes. This is for analyze image, and we are using the analyze image capability. And you have to again select the credential. Now we go to the first subworkflow and do the same, set up the credential, and as well as this one, set up your credential. Okay. Now the last thing we are going to do is to set up this Telegram. We need to connect to Telegram bot. So we go to Telegram. You can find the bot folder, search for it and get into it and click the start button. We can now create our own bot by typing /new bot. Okay, this is the one, new bot, and give it a name like a Mockup Master Agent. And a username is requested for this bot. You can type mockup_master agent, and I will recommend you to give some random number here so that you will not conflict with the others. Finally, we give a bot at the end. It's a must. The bot must be the end of this username, and then we go on, and we will get back to these things. Here is the API token that we can copy it by clicking on it. Now we go to the Telegram trigger node, and then in the credential, we create a new credential and place the token that I've just copied. Okay, and save it to see if it is working okay. Good, it is okay now. And let's change a name. This is a Mockup Master Agent. Here we go, save. And make sure you change all the Telegram nodes in the workflows. Select the Mockup Agent and this one as well. Select the Mockup Agents and save it for the subworkflow as well. Mockup Agent, save it. And lastly, this third workflow and save it. And there we go. We should have all the things connected and we can have a test now. For the main workflow, you need to set it active in order to connect to the Telegram. And click on this to directly go into this bot. And let's click the start and see if it is working. Now, perfect, it is working now. Okay, the AI agent is working. We can now send a photo to see if it is working. Let me just try in my mobile phone. I upload an image and see if it is okay. Perfect. It detects a cute rabbit drawing, meaning that the Nano banana is working well. So everything is fine now. Let's look at the workflow. You see, we have a Telegram trigger and we have two routes. For one route, if the user sends an image, it will download the image and then send up to the Google Drive. You can see that the original name will be a date's time for now. And then for the other path, we send the image to Gemini so that it will give us a sensible file name. You can see the prompt here. Suggest a suitable file name without extension for this image as an output. No other things should be output as it will be used directly to the file name. I have one rule here. Use space instead of underscore because by default it uses underscore to construct the file name, but this is not very user friendly for user if we need to type the underscore. Now we merge these two routes together. The reason why I want to do this, because this is the easiest way to get rid of one problem from n8n. After we download the file from this node, the binary data only accessible for the first node it handled and not accessible for the next if I put it right after this node. That's why it is a workaround to put it this way, so that both nodes will be able to use the binary, and then they merge it together and do the rest of the route. This node try to rename the file with the suggested name, and then it go to the AI agent. Now, for the second part, it is all the test requests from the user and go directly to the AI agent. You can see connect to our AI agent, we have 4 tools here. The first one is edit image. The other one is create a mockup. They go to the sub workflows. And then we also have rename image, so that we can request the AI agent to change the name of any image we have. We also have a tool to find image in our folder. And here is the brain of our AI agent, the Gemini 2.5, as you can see. And we also use the simple memory to the AI agent. And this is super useful because when you have conversation with the AI agent, you can refer to the image and the AI will try to find the image that makes sense because of the history of the conversation. So now let's look at the AI agent here, the system prompts here. You can see in the system prompts, you are an advanced print mockup specialist. You transform user submitted drawings into professional print-ready design optimized for various products and accessories. So this is the first job this AI agent do. And the second job is that you can create stunning, realistic mockup visualizations and visions their artwork on physical items. The second work. The other job that I expect the AI agent to do is that your expertise guide users through the streamlined step-by-step process from initial sketch to the final mockup presentation, providing clear options and expert recommendation at each stage. This is the magic of this AI agent. I request it to be a step-by-step guide to the user, so user know how to go through the whole process. The guide is mentioned here for the 4 steps that you have seen in the Telegram. These are the tools help to finish the job. We have find image, rename image, edit image, and create mockups. Finally, here's the rules that I add. You can have a look of them. 2 tips that I would like to share with you. It is good to keep the tools simple, meaning that each tool is just do one thing. Like create mockup, it just create one mockup and let the AI agent to do the complicated things. Say for example, if a user requests the AI agent to create all the mockup, it will use these tools several times to complete the work. By doing this, we are relying on the AI agent to design the steps, which is the most flexible way to do. But there is also drawback. The AI agent might not be super consistent. Improve this situation by designing a better system prompt, improve these prompts, and so on. So this is all for the setup. I hope you enjoy. So this is it for the today's agent. Before we conclude our videos today, I would like to make a quick call. As I am planning to build courses about AI automation and cloud computing for individuals who are interested in starting their career in this field, and business owners and startups look for implementing AI transformation in their businesses, I would love to chat with you for a quick market research interview. In return, I will offer you a free consultation to answer your questions. This will be no sales pitch, promise. If you are interested, please click the link in the description below and schedule a time. To conclude our topics today, you have experienced how powerful Nano Banana can be and how it solves real problems in our use case in mockup building. Always highlight the value of AI solution delivers to users instead of getting lost in technology complexity. Building AI agents that simplify complex tasks and save time is what truly matters to users and stakeholders. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning. I'll see you in the next video.